National witnessed yesterday's debate. We all unanimously passed the 23rd Women Reservation Bill. We are for Women Reservation Bill. Now the government has to act immediately to implement the Women Reservation Bill for 2029 election. Without any delay, they have to act immediately. Their agenda is to link with the Women Reservation, link with the delimitation with the Women Reservation failed yesterday. Women Reservation never failed. Their agenda to link delimitation with the Women Reservation failed. Why? Because they want to do a delimitation according to their convenience, like Assam and Jammu and Kashmir. They want to cut short the entire constituency according to their convenience. That has been failed. That is basically they actually, because of that shock, now they are telling all these stories.
Sir, they are treasury benches. They are saying that they will expose opposition at pan-India level.
We are going to demand that this only. Without any delay, start implementation of Women Reservation 2023 bill immediately, without any delay. You start. It is there. It is the government has to do it now. We already passed that bill.
Sir, if 50% formula
Guarantee
was given,
where the guarantee was given? What you are telling? You didn't know about the parliamentary procedure. If the guarantee was there, they could have come with an official amendment of the government. We witnessed so many constitutional amendment bills discussion. Whenever government wishes for a thing, they could have come with an amendment, 50% a seat. Why not that? This only, that itself is a clear cut. That promise is not going to happen. They don't want to put it in the legislation.
So
only our demand was put in the legislation.
So what is your suggestion to the government way?
Government way is to, if they want to implement Women Reservation, they have to do it immediately. Our demand is to implement Women Reservation with the existing 543 strength.
Sir, in
That's
UP,
all.
an FIR has been lodged against Mr. Rahul Gandhi having the
How many are there? How many are there? This is, I think, 38 or something.